gonna bring something new, vibe only, latte art tutorials, how to steam, how to make latte art, everything. You're gonna find it here. Just stay tuned. I have only 100 days. Every day it's a new thing. Just need your support. Subscribe for more. Let's go. As you see, I'm just starting my shift right now. The first thing I do when I come in my shift, make calibration, test my coffee in order to give customer the good quality, either for espresso or for cappuccino, latte, flat white, for anything, just to make sure that everything is good, tastes well, arranging everything. First of all, I'm going to test espresso. After testing espresso, I'm going to test flat white or cortado. Why flat white? Because of the ratio of the flat white. Yeah, you can test milk, you can test even the taste of your coffee. It's really good flat white than to taste like latte, because that it's milky. But when you taste cortado or flat white, you're gonna taste every detail of your coffee. What you have to see here, it's I'm gonna make sure that my espresso will be, it comes, starting time was 6 seconds. It will be 32 ml or 34 to 25 seconds or 23. As you see, my outcome is 22 seconds to 35.3 ml. Now I can test my espresso. Oh my god. Now I use the Brazili, the beans, it's a blend Brazili. It's a honey process. There is a chocolate, grape, and jasmine. It's kind of classic somehow, but let me know if you ever test this espresso. Wow, wow, wow. You can feel every flavors. The first thing is when you drink, when you sip it, you feel the body, jasmine all over here, and after taste, you can feel the chocolates very, very well. This Brazili is good for using to something sweet. They like something strong. Yeah, that's for something with sweet. Spanish latte, vanilla latte, white mocha, mocha. You can use this Brazili. It's really, really amazing. Wow. We're going to test flat white and see how it's gonna taste. But I'm so excited, guys. Really excited. Now guys, I'm going to test flat white. I will use the Brazilian brand. I'm gonna use 19 grams of coffee, about espresso, 32 ml or 35. It comes in the 25 seconds, or sometimes I like to keep it on 23 or 24 seconds. It's better. Yeah. So I'm gonna use this cup. It's really good. It's a 7OZ. It's really good. I like this cup. The colors, everything. Yeah. Too much foam. No, I don't like it. I like to make it thick, and it tastes better for my side. Don't know for your side, but let me know in the comments how you make yours. You can feel the flavor of coffee, body, and actually somehow strong. Yeah, as I say, it's better to use it with something sweet. Yeah. But for those who like something strong, I can recommend it. Yeah. This one, it's amazing, for real. Wow. Yeah. This is how a day in life with Barista friend Ali. Just what I do every day is to come, calibrate, then to prepare for the customer. Yeah. Thank you. And if you like what I do, what I work, how I work, just drop, subscribe to my channel, like and share for more. Peace out.